Morning all. Here we go. 5 little tricks. No. I think these are about 3 weeks old. All looking well. Nice plumage, nice feathers. Look at the full pellets. Elaine's going to put the rings on. We've got a special tool. Any idea what this is called, Elaine?
No.
There you go, look. It's like a little gadget there. Split rings. We call it's an identity ring. We use them so we know the year. So it's this year. And we don't, like, when we're breeding, we don't put 2 reds together. So we're not breeding brothers and sisters. There's a little gadget, look, you split it like that. Goes on a little. If you go into any pet shop, breeder shop, and ask for your split rings, and this gadget thing comes with it. There we go, Elaine, all yours.
He's trying to work.
Oh, here's one of the little babies out. This one, this is little Blue.
Going today.
He's going today to his new home, to Lynn. Hello, Blue. There he is. Oh, having a little fly about. You're beautiful, aren't you? There we go. Right. A little demonstration here by Elaine. Foot. I'll zoom you in a bit. I can't do this, my hands are too fat, it's too fiddly for me. So you just hold the bottom half of the leg below the joint, over the split of the ring, place it in, and just pull. And there's the ring. Where's the joint? There's the kneecap that I call the little kneecap. Don't put it above the kneecap like we did first time. Below the kneecap. We do these at about 3 weeks old, and then they're quite happy doing that. It's nice, healthy look. Clean feet. The eyes are wide open. The duck feathers are... Look at these, look at beauties. There, Elaine will show you again, look. You get your split ring on the machine, on the little gadget. Split the ring open. There you go, look. The little fella.
Well, he's absolutely full. His crop's full.
Yeah, crop. See, it's good parents. This is Sonny and Millie, our best. The green, the pure yellow male, and Millie's the green. This is our best breeding pair of the pet shop budgies. There you go. Look, just slip it straight on. Your budgie might squirk, tweet a bit, but it's only because it's... There we go. It's on there, quite loose, look, and bendy. And there's a little chucky. Hello, little fella. Hello, little fella. No ideas on colours yet. It's an early age, but the wings do look quite dark. So they're obviously going to be spangles. Next, we've got one. Now, what I did do, I adopted an egg. I took an egg from another nest that was destroyed and put it in with these. So she's reared a foster baby, and I had a spare trick. There was a
got a mucky. This one's got a mucky bum, so we'll have to give it a bit of a wash.
Yeah, he's got a mucky bum look. So it's hot soapy water. We give him a little wash. There's a spare chicken here, an adopted chick and an adopted egg. So silly me didn't make a note of the egg. So there we go. Look, there's this little gadget with the ring on. Can you see that? And then
you have to get the toes like that.
We should have cleaned the toes.
This one's a bit of a mucky pull.
Bit mucky this one, so we'll wash the toes in soapy water. Because then I clean the nest trays out every day, but they still get a bit mucky. Place it over like that. Can you see? Hold it on. Slide the foot.
Doesn't always work first time.
A bit of patience. There we go. That's your identity ring on your little chick. Got a bold head, look. Boldy! Hello, little fella. Big wide wheel. Oh, lovely eyes, look. Beautiful. There's the younger one. That must be the adopted egg. That's this little fella's too young to. He's too young to put a ring on yet. So we'll keep that one to one side. I think that's the adopted one. Now they're getting quite cold now, so we're going to have to rush it up and put them back in. I don't like to leave about no longer than 5 minutes. So you've got to be quite quick. Are they all done, Elaine?
Yeah, apart from the baby.
Yeah, they're all done apart from the baby. So what I'm going to do is put them straight back into the nest. Mum and Dad's waiting. Okay. Thank you. Bye.